All right, guys. So this is just a little update on what our page will look like and how to navigate stuff. This is specific for week one, and I'll post one of these every week. It'll be the first clip in there. So if you did everything right, you should have clicked on this first, and that's what we're doing right now. Is we're making the week one walkthrough. So Monday, what we're doing is this is a review day. So in case you missed it, I think a couple of those hockey guys, you had your tournament. Hopefully did well. Eat. The notes are here for that. So we should have notes for power, work, and kinetic and potential energy. Okay, the mechanical advantage stuff, don't worry about that. And the simple machines, you can go ahead and not really worry about that either. Okay, those are the big things. So Monday is a review day for us. And then try a couple problems. So review the notes or take the notes if you haven't taken them. Do a couple practice problems here. And then what I would really like you guys to do is watch the video walkthroughs of the problems and then like or comment so I know that you're watching. That's all. Is just hit the like button so I know that you're watching it and you're checking your problems and hearing me walk through. These video walkthroughs, which you have like Tuesday, we got another little problem set. Test your knowledge with these problems, check your answers with the key or by watching this walkthrough. If you like those, that's just an easy way for me to know that you're watching and to kind of monitor here. So Wednesday, this is a video to review power, work, and energy. And then there's a little, you can play around with the skate park basics to get a connection between those things as well. So don't spend too much time on that one. Okay, Thursday, there's 2 practice quizzes on work and power. And then Friday, we're working on our unit review. Okay, Friday, we're working on our unit review, and that's this week. Okay, so these 2 quizzes need to be done on Thursday. If you look at our schedule here by Thursday, they need to be completed. So in terms of attendance, I have to take attendance every single day. That's legally what we're required to do. So this week will be in week 1. There'll be another yellow folder that says Flex Learning Week 2 with the dates in there, and I'll have a video just like this one at the beginning of the week. Let me know if you guys have questions. If you haven't yet, make sure you watch the Intro to Distance Learning Physical Science video as well. Okay, thanks. Love you guys. Bye.